What's going on, guys? I'm here with Jason from JW Cannon, who closed 45K in retainers since working with us. Jason, how are you?
Doing good, Eric. It's good to see you, man.
You as well. If you don't mind, give us a little bit of backstory on kind of you, your company, how you got into this, how you got started, just to give us a little bit of background on kind of your story, if you don't mind.
Yeah, absolutely. I have been working as a photographer and then video director since 2003. So, well over 20 years now. I've basically done this my whole life. And so, I've done corporate and commercial photography and then started moving into video in about 2017. And then we've just been kind of kicking it on from there. And we fly all over the country shooting projects for clients. And we also do a bunch of event stuff too.
Nice. Very cool. And I guess what was kind of the main problem you had prior to joining the program, or like what were you looking to get solved specifically when working with us?
Yeah, so I still remember years ago reading the E-Myth and talking about running a business that was scalable, and it always bugged me because I was like, "I don't know how I could ever do that." And I've kind of worked on that and thought about that for years and years, and then your ads popped up, and I was like, "Holy crap, that's what it is." And or I hope it is, and so then I kind of kept taking your stuff and listening over and over and just you had all those different case studies, and there were one or two that hit, and I was like, that sounds exactly like me. And so I'm gonna call these guys and see. And so now here, kind of sitting at the end of the program and just renewing with you guys, we totally see it, and we see that it works, and that we can really take this now and predictably scale our
Yeah.
business.
Before working with us, was it more of that you felt like it wasn't necessarily scalable, or was it like you were kind of doing most of the stuff yourself, or what did you feel like was kind of the main bottleneck there?
Yeah, so we've always been pretty dang good at SEO, and I mean, we for years we just absolutely crushed it, and we're always top listing for all of our categories. And I mean, that's changing some now because I feel like it's just kind of in a free fall on Google results. But
Yeah.
it was always that thing is like, well, even if you're the top spot, it doesn't matter because you're just kind of waiting and hoping for something to come in. And
Yeah.
so once I saw it's like, oh, you can jump out with ads and then you can kind of turn this on and off. You can get as many leads as you want, theoretically. And
Yep.
then if you have too many, you can turn it back down. But
Yeah.
otherwise, it's that feast and famine cycle that our whole industry seems to be in.
For sure. And had you guys previously been in like, because I know we're niched down into like you said orthopedics, right?
Mhm.
Specifically. Were you niched down before, or was it more general? Like what did that look like on your
Now,
end as
I've
well?
I've told people I shoot everything from egg rolls to private jets. So we've
Nice.
literally
Like
been all over the place, and that's really fun. I like
it
doing a lot
is.
of stuff, but I
Yeah.
also know, like, if you're gonna do this, I especially see this now with you guys, like, we have to be very focused and
Yeah.
find a group that's gonna work for us. And
Yeah.
so kinda getting into that orthopedics, it's just as I've gone through this program, it's like, okay, this is a group I like with. I like what they're doing. I like how they're dealing with their patients. So it's somebody I can kinda get behind and help promote.
Yeah. Well, and I think it doesn't mean you have to always be in that sector, but I always recommend that it's like you want to at least have your funnel and your system and your ads working in that sector, and then you master it, and then you can move on to the next one, right? It's like you just have to have a specific funnel and ad system for each sector you want to go after, because if you just have advertising that's like, we help everybody, then it's not going to be as effective at the end of the day too, because you're very broad and general in your messaging and who you're speaking to at the end of the day. But it's great that you found that, because it's a great niche. They make a lot of money and they need someone like yourself to help them create more content. Are you doing just organic for them? Are you also running ads for the clients? Like, what does that look like? I know that's a common question we get.
Yeah, so we have one that right now we're kind of in basically a test phase with them. So we'll
Okay.
kind of roll this out and then keep going once that's done. And so it's basically building them a foundation. You have a doctor that has extremely qualified credentials and zero online presence.
Yep.
So we're basically going to build out all of kind of his organic website, all that stuff. Then my other clinic that I'm working with, she wants organic as well, but the big deal is going to be scaling up with ads. And
Got
so
it.
it's the same thing. She wants consults that are nicely qualified and she can have those repeatable and get those cranking in.
And had you guys previously done anything like kind of helping them get more results, or was it more just on the content side? Is this kinda like a new more of a new world for you guys, or had you done help like, have you helped them with marketing or clients with marketing before? Like, what did that look like?
Yeah, so actually that's a great question because that may even be the bigger thing that drew me to you guys is I sat here for the last 2 years and I was like, I go out and we can shoot a beautiful video for somebody, I hand it off. I have no idea what that does for them other
Yeah.
than they post it up and they're like, "Oh, that was cool." And so it bothered me that I couldn't show results and say, "Hey, we did this and you got this." I mean, there's if you can't show ROI, like
It's
how
hard
can
to
you
keep them paying you. It's, like,
Yeah.
retention's really difficult if you're like, "Hey," because they're like they look back at the last project they did, and they're like, "Well, what did I get for that?" And they're like and you're like, "I don't know," or, "I can't really show you." Then they're like, "Well, I don't know if we should be paying you again because I don't really know if it worked." I think it's like, every video agency I talk to has the same problem. Like, they suffer from that. I think it's so common. But it's like if you could just attach yourself to a result, it's way easier to be like, "Okay, great. Like, we got you this ROI in the last 30 days. That's why you should keep paying us every single month." And you can point to it, like you said, you know?
Yeah, and that's what we plan on having very sticky people with that. So it's like,
Yeah.
yeah, I would lose money if I didn't sign up with you again. That's the goal.
Yeah, for sure. And it's like just keeping the customer and the client paying you as long as they can or as long as you can, and then obviously just having that amazing relationship with them for years and years to come. And that's how you can, you don't need that many of those clients to build a really successful business because you're just doing a really good job for them and they love working with you at the end of the day, which is huge. I'm curious, I know you said you went through some of the case studies prior to kind of jumping in with us. What do you feel like was like why did you decide to maybe move forward with us versus maybe other programs? I don't know if you talked with other programs, but I'm curious, like, what were some of the things that resonated with you in those case studies that said, "Hey, this is the right fit for me."
Yeah, so it's funny because I feel like after I signed with you, then I started getting served a bunch of ads from your competitors. You're way more polished than most of those. Just kind of saying that, but
I appreciate it,
yeah, yeah, and I production value is a big thing to me, so I
of
always notice
course.
that, but really it was the guys because 'cause y'all have, like, kinda single operators that are trying to build this up, and then you
Yep,
had guys who were kind of already running an existing agency or
yep,
group, and they were wanting to, kinda move beyond that or really scale that up repeatably, and so, I mean, that was the thing that really drew me because I've actually I've shot a few video products or projects myself, but I am typically the, like, producer or director, so I don't actually go out and run camera and all that stuff, and so when I saw those guys and kinda what they were doing, I was like, "That's what I want because
yep.
we want crews moving out doing this stuff all the time. I'm running strategy and not on the ground all the time."
Yeah, that makes sense. And obviously, you've renewed with us. We want to keep working with you for as long as we can as well to keep that relationship going. As what do you feel like that we've went through so far has been like super helpful to you, or like what do you feel like has been particularly helpful like for your company? Obviously, you said like getting clients results. Is there anything else though that you feel like has been particularly helpful in this process?
So I think there's a few things. I mean, first off, like getting really good strategic input from you guys. And like even I've as we were working to close these deals, it was a lot of working with your coaches to get like, hey, you need to be doing this, try this. Why don't you send them something like this? And so we were able to really kind of nurture that client to the very last part, especially as we
Yeah.
were competing with other vendors. And so, and we, those kind of helpful things push us over the edge. But I would say, like, here, you guys kind of showed me what's possible. And you said, kind of, here's a roadmap. Here's what this actually looks like when you build it. I think you've mentioned in some of your videos where you said, you could go and figure all this out on your own. And I
Yeah,
absolutely think I could, but it
for
would
sure.
probably be 3 or 4 years from now and a lot more money spent. And so you gave me a very distilled program that once it took me a while even then with your
Sure.
program to kind of
Yeah.
figure out what I was doing. But once we dialed in, it's like, okay, I get this. I understand this. I can see how I'm going to do this. And now I see like I've got those first two, but like I would love to have 10 of those or 15 of
If
those
you can
by
do
the
it
end of
2
the year.
times, you can do it 100 times is what I say. So it's like there's a lot of orthopedics and just surgeons and people out there who need your help, and I think it's just once we get everything dialed, it's, the sky's the limit, you know? It's gonna be huge.
Yeah. This one clinic, I think they have like 17 or 20 other surgeons just
Yeah.
in that one company. So
Yeah,
yeah.
I love it. Good stuff. Last question. I guess if maybe anybody's on the fence about just booking a call, speaking with us, like they're nervous, right? They don't know who we are. What advice would you give them kind of being on the other side of the fence now?
Yeah, so it's like anything, right? When you see it online, you're like, I don't know. And so, I watched several of your case studies until I was like, okay, I'll reach out to them. And so yeah, there's obviously a lot of doubt, but I felt like we were doing the right thing. Going through the program, I had a ton of doubt. And I was like, I don't know. I don't know if this is right. I don't know if I can do this. But then once we locked in, it was good. And it's like, okay, these guys, they've got my back. They're going to help me through this thing and I can trust them, which is my
Yep.
biggest thing because I want to be able to trust you guys.
Of course.
And once we saw that and everything kind of locked in and fell into place, I was like, this is good. So I would say for anybody that's wanting to look at your program, it's going to be scary. If you look
Yep.
online, you might say somebody who's pissed off because everybody on the internet's pissed off saying,
Yeah.
oh, these guys are whatever.
Yep. We've
But
had
y
88 million impressions on our ads. I got people who don't like me for sure. It's
Yeah,
definitely how it is, you know?
I know.
Is what it is. Part of making an impact. You're always gonna have people who don't like you. But yes, for sure.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
agree.
but that I would say you guys are legit. I would trust you, and I just re-upped, so, like, I
Yep.
believe in what you guys are gonna do, and think you're gonna help me make a lot of money. You're gonna help me
Yep.
serve my clients in a way that I've never been able to, and just create an amazing experience for them, so, I mean, yeah, I would say anybody needs to call you guys and get rolling on your program,
I appreciate
for
it,
sure.
Jason. And you have to do the work is what I always like to say in these case
Yes.
studies. You gotta do the work. We're not a magic pill, not a magic bullet. You gotta come in here and I just want to be as realistic and as open and transparent as we possibly can is like you put the work in, you met us in the middle, you did the things we said. This is for people who are serious about their business at the end of the day and like you're willing to make an investment and like you said it's scary. Just do your due diligence, look at the case studies, look you up, look any of the people we've worked with up and see if it's for you, at the end of the day. And sometimes it's not. So it's just up to the person and what they're willing to put into their business at the end of the day is what I like to say. So
Yeah, and I would say it definitely like, this system is a butt kicker. I mean, I basically built an entirely new business almost from scratch starting, last fall, so,
yeah,
like and while running 2 other businesses. So,
yeah,
I mean, that is not as easy task, but we knew this is where we wanna go and where we wanna push kind of everything. So,
yeah.
yeah, and really, if anybody ever wanted, they can look up JW Cannon, they can look up my name. I'm happy to talk to him. So,
I appreciate it, Jason. Well, we'll do another one of these once we've closed a couple 100,000 in deals. I'm excited. Let me know if there's anything you need from me, and I appreciate your time.
cool, awesome. Thanks, Eric. Appreciate you,
Yes,
sir.
sir.